Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can custom schedule to turn on or off dark mode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and in here tap on display and brightness. Next, tap on automatic and make sure it is switch on. Then we go down and tap on options. In here, you can choose to have dark mode turn on automatically between sunset to sunrise, or you can set a custom schedule. In here, choose when to turn on dark mode and when to switch off dark mode. So here we have dark mode starting at 10 p.m. and then at 7 a.m. dark mode will switch off and light mode will turn on. So in light, choose the time when your phone will turn off dark mode, and in dark, set a time when your phone will turn off light mode and switch on dark mode. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.